Hello everybody, I'm Dr. Renah Wolzinger. Today we're going to try and tackle using different browser profiles in order to access applications in the realm of AI. Why is this important? You don't have to do it. You can see right now on I'm using Chrome. I have my Gemini Pro there available, but I also am a teacher, so I have EDU versions of this available. I can easily just log out of this and log into my school one. But there's a different way to do it as well, which I really like better. So whatever browser you're using, you should have your profile. You can see what email you're using. I have a bunch of profiles in there. So if I try to use my Gemini EDU, right now I'd have to go in here and in settings, log out and log in with my school email address and password, which is fine. You can do that. And then usually I would drag this into the bookmarks bar and save whatever I'm using. By the way, sometimes your bookmarks bar is hiding, so if it is, go up to the top on your computer and look under the View menu and look for Show Your Bookmarks bar. So the idea would be to click on my profile, and if I want to add another profile, in this case I'm in Chrome, I'll just click Add Chrome Profile, sign with it in a different account, and it'll make a new profile. So now for your new profile from whatever browser you're using, you can set up a new profile, you sign in, use your school email and password, and it'll generate another profile. Okay, so I have a new profile. I can see my old one there, my Gmail and some others, but I have a new profile for my school. I can tell it's a different account in two ways. I can hover over the top where I have my initial, it says school, I can check the email. On the bottom, I can see that there's an EDU account there. I can check that as well, make sure it's the school account. Now I can re-log into other applications in this environment. So I'm going to log into Gemini, I'll bookmark it. You can see I already bookmarked it. You can also right-click and delete or rename any of these. I can log into Notebook, Copilot, anything that I want for this environment. What's nice about this is that when you click on these applications, from an EDU account, it knows that you're in that EDU account and you don't have to sign in and sign out from other stuff, which is very convenient. So I can go back to Google Gemini, I can go back to Notebook. If I want to go to Adobe, I can go there, bookmark that. So it's really fantastic for having your own profile. Again, you don't have to do this. You can stay into your main browser window, logged into your personal account, such as a Gmail, and then log in and out of apps as you choose. So personal choice on how do you want to organize your applications in order to do your work. Hope that was helpful. Thanks, everybody. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and join us at www.eduvators.net.